In this video, I will show you how to fix Bluetooth icon missing on Windows 11 taskbar. The first step is to click on the Windows icon located on your taskbar. Once you've clicked on the Windows icon, look for Settings in the menu that appears. Go ahead and click on it. Now that you're in Settings, you'll notice several options listed on the left side of the window. Here, select Bluetooth and Devices. On the right side of this section, you'll see various options. Click on Devices to proceed. Next, scroll all the way down until you reach the bottom of this page. Here, look for an option labeled More Bluetooth Settings. Click on it. You should now see a new window with several options regarding Bluetooth settings. Look for an option called Show the Bluetooth icon in the notification area. To fix your missing Bluetooth icon issue, simply put a checkmark next to this option. After checking that box, make sure to click Apply at the bottom right corner of this window, followed by OK, to save your changes. To ensure these changes take effect properly, it's recommended that you restart your computer. After restarting your computer, your Bluetooth icon should now be visible again in your taskbar. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.